The Southeast Asian countries are Cambodia, Indonesia, Malaysia, Singapore, Timor-Leste, Myanmar, or also known as Burma, Laos, Brunei, Vietnam, Thailand, the Philippines, Please do not forget to share, like, and subscribe to our channel, that's SelfQuiz.org, or you may visit our website for more educational quizzes and educational games. Now, we will show you which country corresponds their location in Southeast Asia countries. The Philippines, Vietnam, Singapore, Malaysia, Brunei, Indonesia, Timor-Leste, Laos, Myanmar, or also known as Burma, Thailand, Cambodia, the Southeast Asian countries:
Philippines, Singapore, Malaysia, Vietnam, Laos, Cambodia, Myanmar, Timor-Leste, Thailand, Brunei, Indonesia. For more educational videos and online tutorials, please visit our website at www.selfquiz.org. Please do not forget to follow and subscribe to our channel.